Flipper Dave here. Today I fixed and flipped the cheapest leaf blower I have. It's a Homelite. It's cheap, it's Chinese, it's from Walmart. It's probably older than my sister. And we put an entire fuel system in it, primer bulb, all the good stuff. I hope you enjoy the video. Just got a box of some two-stroke fuel line filters and bulbs. As you can see, we need to replace the primer bulb. Come down here, fuel line's all dry rotted and gone. So we're gonna go ahead and replace all that. So to go ahead and get this bulb out, we're gonna go ahead and take out this screw right here. Pull back on this and pull it out. The fuel line was so rotted that it wasn't even on the bulb, so it didn't matter. But go ahead and disconnect yours if you need to. Now you want to go ahead and take off this cover. The screws here and here. So I've already taken off these two. I'm going to go ahead and take these top ones out so we can go ahead and remove the fuel tank and fish out the old line and filter. Now you want to run your fuel line from the inlet side of the carburetor up to where your bulb is going to be. And that longer side of the bulb is always going to be the side you want to connect it to. Well, my AC unit kicked on, so I moved into the shed. You can see down there, that's the inlet side of the carburetor. And I started running my fuel line from there, up behind the carburetor, and up to where the primer bulb is going to be. And that's going to go on this longer side. That's the side that's going to push the gas out of the bulb. This one right here. All right, and now that shorter side of the bulb, the suction side, you're gonna run a piece of fuel line from that down into your fuel tank, which we did take off, and then you're gonna put the filter on the bottom and make sure that it's all the way seated at the bottom of the tank, or else you're gonna have gas left over and it's not gonna run. All right, we've ran our fuel line all the way till it comes out the opening. We can put our little filter on, and then we're gonna pull this all the way back out so that filter's all the way at the back and sitting at the bottom of the tank. And then you can put the tank back on and trim to fit what you need to get to the primer bulb. Just like that. Okay, we got both fuel lines hooked up. Then we're just gonna do a return line from here to here, and you want that to be kind of towards the bottom. All right, all the new fuel lines are hooked up. Let's go ahead and put the cover back on and seat our bulb. All right, let's put some gas in it. Well, we got the leaf blower running. It runs great. It's solid. Fuel line wasn't too big of a deal. So, you know, it's really just a couple cents worth of parts. I bought it for $4 and I'm going to sell it to a buddy of mine at work for $30. You know, not a huge profit, but still a good profit nonetheless. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. Go ahead and leave a comment so I can learn something from you. If you're new, click subscribe, and thanks for watching.